But you can use this flotation device. Floating. What they say, they floating. They can be hating. Put both feet. If you put both feet, we'll give you a big bag of seeds. See, damn it, man. See, premium from Costco. Now I have to contemplate. I have to consider. Ooh, I'm aquaphobic, man. Costco. Why do I have to be aquaphobic? Flotation device.
Few moments later.
I told you can trust me. What? La boca, Jare. Who do you trust then? Me, man. I trust me. What? What? Hey, wait. I lifted it. Yeah, you lifted it. But why? There's no specific reason. Can I just float? Excuse me. May I just float? So politely, of course you